Towa International was founded in 2020. This is where we consolidated the transition from a local factory to a global factory, where we distribute our commercial subsidiaries in Spain, Italy, Portugal, and the United States, but also distribute to more than 30 countries through agreements with third parties, in order to reach the largest number of patients in the world. The plant was inaugurated in 1992. Over the years, we have made several expansions and made many investments in facilities and machinery. Without going any further, since 2020, we have invested more than 20 million in our production plant. It is located on a land of 84,000 square meters, with 47,500 square meters built, of which the factory occupies 35,000. This means that we still have plenty of room for capacity expansion. Our plant is prepared to manufacture large volumes with high quality and safety standards, thanks to our operational excellence, and through a high-performance organization. In the production plant, we are more than 630 people, of which 55% are operations and 30% quality. At Towa's International plant, we mainly manufacture solid forms, such as pellets, granulates and powders, tablets, coated tablets and capsules. Liquids are also produced, although in smaller quantities. The plant's main manufacturing process is the manufacture of pellets. In fact, we are one of the leading pharmaceutical factories in Europe in this technology. Our industrial assets are state-of-the-art and benchmarks in the pharmaceutical market. One of the objectives we are working hard on is to have a digital factory. In this sense, we are working hard in Towa to automate our processes through different technologies such as robotization, artificial vision, augmented reality and others. Another important pillar is the connectivity of all equipment, which is essential to control physical elements in a coordinated way. At this point, we are very advanced, being this the indispensable start to have a smart factory. For Towa, sustainability is a priority, so we are investing and upgrading the plant's equipment in this regard. Our focus is on optimizing operational efficiency while reducing environmental impact. We are working on many initiatives in this regard. For example, we have expanded our photovoltaic installation, installing 1,125 that generate 8% of the energy consumed by the plant and reduce carbon dioxide emissions significantly. We have also installed a new purified water generation plant, which is more efficient. This has resulted in a 36% saving in water consumption per unit produced. We have embraced 9 of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals of the United Nations 2030 Agenda, and we continue to work along these lines for the good of the planet and our patients.